are not scheduled for 9 a.m. Case number 636-058, State versus Arianica McVeigh. Rochelle Acevedo is attorney of record. Ms. McVeigh, I'm noting her not present, nor Ms. Rochelle Acevedo. Case number 640-889, State versus Jeremy Guerra. Brent.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Coffey. How are you?
Doing well. My client is attempting to log on as we speak right now. This is the first hearing we've had for this case.
He's there, Judge.
I'm
Okay.
here.
Hello. Who's here?
Yes, can you hear me?
Can
you hear me?
Mr. Guerra, good morning to you. I see you.
Good morning.
All right. What are you going to do this morning, Mr. Coffey?
Judge, I will need to confer with the state. If I remember correctly, he had a previous attorney. I believe I'm the second attorney on this case, but we do need to confer about a plea offer in this case.
Patricia, make a note that Mr. Coffey will be brewing. Confer. You'll be number one for conferring.
Yes, sir.
Case number 643704, State versus Tanisha Thomas. Jessica Gonzalez is attorney of record.
I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Thomas.
Good morning.
Looks like your attorney is not here just yet. I'm going to note her is not answering. Just stick with us. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
Case number 645495, State versus Ashley Leyva. That's the first name I saw this morning on the screen.
Your Honor, I'm here for Ms. Leyva on behalf of Mr. Kalfas. Good morning.
Good morning.
If I have an opportunity, please, could I speak to a prosecutor in a breakout room about a potential offer?
You'll be number two for conference at the end of the docket.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Looks like you lost some weight, guy.
Well, thank you, Judge. Thanks for noticing. I appreciate that.
All right. Case number 647115, State versus Julio Gonzalez. Joseph Stateson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Present, my client is present as well.
I'm present.
On
Good
this
morning to
case,
you both.
Mhm.
Mr.
On this case-
Stateson, what are your wishes?
yes, sir. A pretrial diversion offer had been conveyed. My client rejects it, will not accept any plea offer. We're asking a trial setting. Maybe you can put us on a jury trial docket.
Make it so, Patricia.
Yes, sir.
You will receive notice. You're both excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
Beg pardon?
Have a good day, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. You too. Case number 650379, State versus Selena Hernandez. Marisa Ayon.
It's Celine, Judge.
Celine. Okay. Hernandez.
Yes, sir.
Well, it's probably more correct to say Selene, but I'll take your pronunciation.
She's not there, neither is Miss Ayon.
Ms. Ayon is noted not answering, and Ms. Hernandez is shown as absent. Case number 654680, State versus Ulysses Campos.
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Campos.
Good morning, sir.
Your attorney is Veronica Legareta.
Hi,
That is
Judge.
Where are you, Veronica?
Right here.
I don't see you.
I don't know why, Judge.
She's there, Judge.
Okay, I just enlightened her, but I don't. Let's see. Okay, there we are. I just had to click the little deal on the side there. All right, Ms. Legareta, what do you wish to do this morning?
This reset was for the state. they were supposed to see if they were going to enhance this case to a felony or keep it as a misdemeanor, and Judge Angelini gave them today to decide.
So you want a quick reset, you say?
I do not, Judge. I'd like to know what the state is going to do, if they're going to.
Okay,
keep
so
that
you
as a
want to
misdemeanor.
confer. You'll be
I
number
don't need
three.
to confer, Judge. They need to announce on the record what they're going to do.
State, are
Honor.
you? Yes, ma'am.
This was a recall from last week. Judge Angelini recalled it for the state
Okay.
to do some research on it.
Mr. Edelman, Ms. Morgan, who's going to tell me something about this?
We can't hear you, Caitlin. We still can't hear you.
For some reason, Ms. Morgan, you are muted, but it doesn't show that on the screen. Nada. Try it again. Now it shows muted. Okay. Speak up. Okay, no, there's guess what? As unusual as it seems, we have a computer glitch.
Maybe she needs to
There-
log off, Judge.
Yeah, Ms. Morgan, log off and log back on, please.
Your Honor,
Meantime, yes, ma'am.
I just received a message from Attorney Jessica Gonzalez. She's in County Court 13's Zoom hearing, jail court. And as soon as she's done, she'll check in with you.
All righty. So noted. Excuse me.
Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you now. Thank goodness.
Okay, great. Mr. Edelman is having issues with his internet right now, but I believe it's still in the process of being seen if it can be enhanced to a felony.
So that is, the state, at least at this point, is not ready in here in County Court 5, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So noted, Ms. Legareta, we will reset this for, let's say 30 days max. What is the date of this incident that gave rise to the arrest? Anybody know?
I do, Judge. I believe it is June 3rd. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, June 3rd, 2020.
Okay, okay.
Oh, actually, it's further. It's March 6th, 2020.
That's correct, Judge.
March 6th.
Alrighty. Well, let's see what happens.
I'll send you the new reset, Ms. Legareta. It'll be May 14th.
Okay, thank you. Judge, may my client and I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Bye,
Good to see
Judge.
you. Good to see you, Miha. You look great.
Bye,
Thank
Vero.
you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Case number 656-925, State versus Cristina Saldana. Thomas Beck. No answer for either one. Mr. Saldana is noted as absent, and Mr. Beck, attorney, is noted as not answering. Cases number 657-327 and 657-328, State versus Albert Delgado. Apparently, an application for appointed counsel was denied. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. When he was in jail.
Mr. Delgado? Well, he's absent on both. And he has no attorney. We will wait 1 week, Patricia, and
Yes, sir.
if you want. No add-ons?
No, sir, but there is a gentleman on this, he logged on the screen, Rinaldo Talamantes. He was on yesterday's docket. And
Huh?
his attorney was Eduardo Jimenez.
Mr. Talamantes,
Yes, sir.
I take it you don't have $1 on you because you're a day late and $1 short, huh?
Well, yesterday was my court date, Your Honor, and a day before that, I called to the court because I didn't know if the court was going to be virtual or go in person. And when I called the court, somebody sent me an email from Court Count 9, and they said that I had a virtual for the Zoom meeting at 1:30 yesterday. So I got an email from the Court County 9, but it was a mistake. It was the wrong court, so that was the issue.
All right.
Your Honor, and that's correct. He forwarded to me what was sent to him. And I told him what it seems happened is that his attorney, Mr. Jimenez, might have forwarded to him the wrong court and Zoom meeting ID accidentally.
Well, to err is human, to forgive divine. Sometimes you can really screw up without a computer. So reset him for 30 days, inform Mr. Who was it?
Eduardo Jimenez?
Right. Inform Mr. Jimenez that it's reset. Mr. Talamantes, thank you for checking back in with us.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We will look forward to seeing you in approximately 30 days. You will get notice of the setting, okay? You're excused for the rest of the day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody appearing that did not answer on the call of the docket?
Judge, I thought I had a client on your docket.
You do.
Okay, Ms. McVeigh.
That is correct.
Judge, and we,
Arianique McVeigh.
my office has reached out to her, and I just called the same number that we have this morning, and I left another message, but we haven't had contact, and I don't see her on the Zoom, Your Honor.
Okay, well, you have, she has 1 week to appear, otherwise we're going to issue a warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll look for her.
Okay, Ms. Acevedo, you are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Anyone else that did not hear their name called or did not answer?
Judge, on page 2, Attorney Marisa Ayon is present. First one on page 2.
Marisa Ayon did not answer when I called the docket 15 minutes ago. Ms. Ayon,
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. I apologize. I was having some technical difficulties this morning.
what? Technical difficulties?
Happens to the best of us.
No kidding. All right, have you heard from your client, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, I've spoken with Ms. Hernandez. She let me know that she was told to go back to work in person yesterday, and so she was unable to be present today. However, if the court will allow her a day or two or a little bit of time to present herself, I believe she'll be able to. She's just not able to get away from work today.
Really? Okay.
I believe I don't know if this was our first setting, but I've had contact with her and she has been compliant.
All right, Ms. Ayon, we will give Ms. Hernandez a few days to appear, otherwise there will be a warrant issued.
Yes, Judge. Will she need to appear in Zoom or does she call the court?
Let her get in touch with the court.
Okay.
All right.
I'll have her call the court. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Flores will probably be there to answer. All right. You are excused, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Judge, excuse me.
Hold on. Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to just go ahead and let me give Ms. Ayon on chat the Zoom meeting ID and passcode so that way her client can just log on any morning that she's able to?
That might work. Why don't you do that?
All right.
All right, Ms. Ione, if you'll look to your chat account, Ms. Garcia will be complying with what you just said, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Stay safe. Anyone else that has not answered the docket and is now present? All right, then we'll be in recess.
May I go ahead and start placing attorneys with Ms. Morgan for conferring?
We'll start off with Mr. Brent Coffey.